Today I'm gonna replace my monitor arm for my 49 inches Samsung Odyssey. I got this new MXG monitor arm from zoacomputers.pk. In the box I received the complete accessories, the toolkit, the manual which helped me a lot in assembling this arm. There were few precautions mentioned already before unboxing everything. And obviously this beautiful monitor arm itself. Wow. I had to pull my giant 9 feet long table just to make things easier for me. In order to assemble any new stuff into my workspace, the first thing I usually do is to plan. Without planning, there are a lot of disasters which I have already experienced. While assembling this arm, I witnessed the quality of each part, including the toolkit provided, the nuts, the bolts, the plastic, and its metal was totally outclassed. The only thing which was worrying me that whether it can bear my 20 kg plus LED monitor or not. And it does.